Hello everyone, here is a quick sugaring tutorial for beginners. Step 1. Prepare the skin. Always make sure the skin is completely dry. If there is any sweat or moisture, apply a thin layer of talcum powder to absorb it. This ensures proper adhesion so the sugar paste sticks, spreads evenly and grabs the hair. Step 2. Observe hair growth direction. Here is a guide to explain you recognize common hair growth patterns on different body parts. In sugaring, direction is the key because we apply the sugar paste in the opposite direction of hair growth and pull it off in the direction of hair growth, which ensures less pain. As you can see in this video, the direction of hair growth is in downward direction. Step 3. Apply the sugar paste. Using a spatula, apply a layer of sugar paste in the opposite direction of hair growth. Give it 2 to 3 smooth strokes to ensure the paste spreads evenly and firmly grabs all the hair follicles. Before pulling the strip, be sure to hold the skin tight. Pull and stretch it out rather than pressing down. Pulling the strip on loose skin causes a lot of pain, so keeping it tight ensures a smooth and comfortable removal. Step 4. Apply the wax strip over the sugar paste and gently rub in the opposite direction of hair growth. While keeping the skin tight, quickly pull the strip in the direction of hair growth. After pulling, you can observe that the hair follicles are completely gone and the skin is smooth and bright. Here is a tip for you to control pinpoint bleeding. If you notice any small blood spots, take a small ball of sugar paste and paste it over the spot briefly until the bleeding stops. Then wipe it away. Happy sugaring!